Welcome to Cincoze booth in the 2023 Invaded World. I'm Tina. Today I would like to show you Cincoze's comprehensive embedded computing solutions and also introduce each exhibition area. Before we take a look at our booth, let me introduce more about Cincoze. Cincoze is an all-brand manufacturer dedicated to providing rugged, reliable, and application-driven embedded computers. Our embedded computers are designed for harsh, demanding, and versatile industrial applications. We focus on 6 major markets, which are manufacturing, railway, transportation, in-vehicle, energy, as well as warehouse and logistics. Okay, now let's go to the Cincoze booth. Follow me.
Hi, this is Paul. Welcome to the Rugged Embedded Fitness Computer area. Here, we offer a range of 7 edge computing solutions specifically designed to withstand harsh environments. Our solutions are classified into 3 performance levels: basic, high performance, and extreme performance. For basic performance, we offer the smallest DN, compact DC, and DE with PCI extension. Moving up to the high performance models, we have the essential DP and power efficient DI. For those who require extreme performance, we offer the powerful DX and PCI expandable DS models. All our series feature rugged construction, fearless design, modular expansion, and industrial-grade protection. This means the customers can choose from a variety of options based on their preferences, size, expandability, or special industry certifications. This is our embedded GPU computer area. Here, Cincoze will be showcasing 2 series, the GM1000 and GP3000. The GM1000 is a high-performance computer with embedded MXM GPU, making it ideal for machine vision application with limited installation space. On the other hand, the GP3000 is Cincoze's flagship model. This model allows for expansion of up to 2 full-length GPU cards. With this feature, it is possible to perform high-precision AOI inspection or automatic driving tasks. Moreover, the GP3000 comes with 3 design patents for heat dissipation, expansion, and GPU card mounting bracket. This innovation has earned the GP3000 several awards and has made it popular from many customers.
Hi, my name is Hannah. Let me introduce our industrial panel PC and monitor area, where we showcase our display computing solutions. We offer a total of 6 series, including industrial panel PCs and touch monitors, sunlight-readable panel PCs and touch monitors, as well as open-frame panel PCs and monitors. For general industrial environments, we recommend using an industrial panel PC or monitor for HMI purposes. If you require an outdoor high-brightness display, our sunlight-readable panel PC and monitor options are the best choice. Lastly, if you need to integrate the panel PC or monitor with equipment or machines, our open-frame panel PC and monitor series would be a perfect fit. With our comprehensive range of options, you can find everything you need, including the right size, display ratio, touch method, performance, brightness, and other customizable features to fit your specific requirements. Right now, we are in new product launch area, where we are excited to showcase our latest offerings. Here, you can explore our latest embedded computers, DS1400 and DS1200, equipped with Intel's latest platform, Alder Lake S. These computers offer ultimate performance and have passed rigorous UL certification for product safety. Additionally, we are proud to present our open-frame display module, CO100, which features a unique integrated architecture and patented adjustable mounting bracket. This innovative design simplifies on-site installation step, making it even more effective. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity.
Thank you for watching. For more product information, please visit our website or follow us on LinkedIn.